Today we're going to demonstrate glass cutting on a light table. First we're going to choose the pattern that we're going to be working with, and this happens to be a lovely pattern with flowers in a basket. Next I'm going to choose the type of glass that I think I want for my flowers. This is a great glass because, as you can see, it has some yellow and some pink and some white, giving me an opportunity to have different flowers be different colors from the same sheet of glass. To begin, I'm going to label my pattern with the type of glass that I've chosen. So every petal is going to say a number and the letter of the type of glass. Once I've done that, I'm going to lay my glass on a petal in the direction that I want it to go. And sometimes it's easier to just cut a strip about the width of one of the petals. This gives me a smaller piece of glass to work with, and yet I still have all of the colors that I want. So here I'm able to move my pattern around to accommodate me. And I cut and I break. As you can see, the black line is exposed. I'm cutting on the inside of this black line, giving me plenty of room for a good fit for my copper foil or my lead cane. Depending on what I've decided to choose, I'm going to make sure that I cut within that black line with a certain amount of space. And that's my first petal.